Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have a Sips By and a mea culpa. Let's get in here and I'll tell you what the story is. So I really dropped the ball on this and I feel really bad. But I didn't want to not show you guys this because they're doing so many special boxes. So I received the Sips By box and I set it aside because I thought it was my May box. And it doesn't really matter if it's super timely because they have you go in and fill out a survey. We all get different teas anyway. So it's not like you need to sign up right now for May to get the teas that I've received because you're going to tell them what you like and you're going to get your own teas anyway. So how fast I put it up isn't really relevant. So I got this box and I set it aside. And then a few days ago, I got another box. And I said, oh, I wonder what this box is. So I came upstairs and I opened this one, which I had had for a while. Oh, see, it jumped out. It's so embarrassed for me. It jumped right out of the box. And I had this. Moment for Mom. So this was a Mother's Day box. And I didn't realize. And I wanted to go ahead and show you guys so I could take the opportunity to say Sips By does great special occasion boxes. I have so far had like a pot of gold box, something like that came out around St. Patrick's Day. I am doing this Moment for Mother box, and I have 2 more specialty boxes coming throughout the year, but I'm not sure when. But I'm going to pay more attention so I can get them up in a more timely fashion. But I wanted to show you guys when they put together a box for an occasion, what they were thinking. So we'll get in here and see what they're doing. I brought up my cup of water, just like I always do. So we're going to treat this just like a normal box. And I will tell you that Sips By is a $15 per month tea subscription. You generally get 4 different teas, and in each of those teas you get 4 servings. I have a link and my code below, which will get you $5 off of your first box. So your first subscription box will only be $10. Also, with each month, because they so often send out loose teas, unless you tell them you don't want loose teas, which you can do in your survey too. They'll ask you if you want lots of decaf or no decaf or somewhere in the middle, which is where I go. What flavors you like. Do you like florals? Do you like just black teas? Do you like herbal teas? They ask a bajillion questions just to get the teas right for you. And if you get loose teas, you will get these. And this is a muslin reusable bag, which is fantastic, but even better to my way of thinking. On the inside, you will receive paper tea bags. So when you get your loose teas, you can just put whatever it calls for, usually a teaspoon in one of these, and you have your own tea bag. You don't have to use your infuser, dirty it. You can just pop your tea in here, and when you're done, chuck it. Although I say when you're done, most tea bags I use twice. I usually get 2 servings of tea out of a tea bag. Yes, the second one isn't quite as strong as the first one, but I still find it to be very satisfying. So on the back of this, it says made for mothers as opposed to made for Catherine, because it's not my monthly box. So if I had done this in more timely fashion, you could have ordered this exact box. So I hope it's not so good that you're like mad at me. Please don't be mad at me. So on the back of the card, it will tell us the 4 teas that we have received, a little bit about them. It'll tell us what they're made of, how much to use, how long to steep, which temperature to use. I don't focus on the temperature. I make my water. Sometimes I do it on a kettle on the stove. Sometimes I just run hot water through my Ninja coffee maker with no coffee in it just to get hot water. It's just so easy. So while it's best to do it like they recommend, it's not necessary and it's still delicious. Okay, let's get in here and see what we have for teas, and we'll get one steeping that I can try at the end. Just get right on top. I have the organic Mother's Little Helper, minty, citrusy, relaxing. This says that in 16 ounces of water, you can use 1 to 2 perfect spoons. Well, I probably have 8 to 12 ounces, so I'll just use 1 teaspoon. 200 Fahrenheit, 5 minutes, and it is caffeine free. Yes, because it's late in the day and caffeine free is best for me late in the day. Peppermint, lemongrass, hibiscus, rose hips, chamomile, valerian root with cornflowers and natural peppermint flavoring. And this is USDA organic, and it's a David's Teas. And I have to tell you, I'm not going to play favorites. I have tried so many teas in these boxes that there are so many that I like now that I don't want to say this is my favorite. Because like last month, if you haven't seen that video, we got one called Chico Chai, and it was from a chai tea company in Chico, California, which is how we get the name. If you like chai tea, that tea is so good. It is so good. You should go check out their webpage if you have any interest. Chico Chai, so good. Oh, this smells nice. Very minty. Ooh, it smells good. That is what it looks like. A couple of months ago, I used to pour this in my hand to show you, but with everything that's going on, and since I'm touching all of the boxes and the packaging, I feel like maybe I shouldn't get my hand in there. So let's pour about a teaspoonful in one of these little bags and get it steeping. So I put about a teaspoon's worth in here, and we're just going to set it right in here. And we are going to give that a taste at the end. I can't wait. It smells so minty and nice. I love mint in teas. Love it. Okay, let's see what the paperwork says. Need to relax? Release stress and anxiety the natural way with this organic herbal tea. It's packed with ingredients that take the edge off. It helps digestion and eases the mind. So that sounds lovely, and it smells fantastic. Next I have, this is a lot. Look how pretty this is. This looks like a potpourri. It's so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? It is T. Fiore's Tuscan Dreams. Tuscan Dreams Sips by T. Fiore. 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water. This is a lot more than 4 servings then. That is a lot of teaspoons in there. Lavender blossom, rose petal, orange blossom, lemon balm, silver linden tree blossoms, sweet blackberry leaves, apple pieces, and mallow blossoms. And this is another caffeine-free one. A relaxing, soothing blend of herbs, fruits, and flowers that will transport you to a sunny Italian countryside and help your stresses drift away. Let's open it and see what it smells like. Oh, it smells so pretty. Floral, but I can definitely smell the orange blossoms in there. Look how gorgeous that is. Isn't that just so pretty? There's a lot in there too. They say it takes a teaspoon, but look how much that is. The next one we have is Unwind. Just Chill Out by Snarky Tea. Relax. Green rooibos tea with kava kava and holy basil. That is what that looks like. And this says that it is 50 milligrams of kava kava, 130 milligrams of holy basil. I don't know about these products, so let's see what this is. 1 sachet per 8 ounces of water, so there must be sachets in here. We'll look in a second. And it's green rooibos, holy basil, natural flavor, lemon balm, kava kava, schisandra berry powder, caffeine-free. So we're going caffeine-free with this box, and I love that because I am so sensitive to caffeine. This tea is designed to help you relax with kava kava for restlessness and holy basil for stress. Escape the chaos and just chill with this relaxing combination of calming ingredients. All right, well, let's see what those look like. So we have 4 of these cute sachets. Oh, it smells very herbaceous. I like that a lot. It smells kind of green, and oh, that smells so good. Kind of wish I'd tried this now. That smells delightful. I love tea, you might have guessed. I enjoy the teas so much. Next, I have Tmotions. How cute is that? Teas for emotional well-being. Apple, cinnamon, chamomile. Does that not sound delicious? And that is what it looks like in the back. So I don't even have to open this one to be able to show you guys. It says that it's a whole leaf tea. It is apple cinnamon chamomile with ashwagandha to foster rest and relaxation, blended with green rooibos, warm cinnamon, and tasty apple. This is another one where you could say, we should have tried this. It also has orange peel in it. Wow. Let's see what this says. As you sip, put your feet up or get cozy with a blanket and a good book. Find a quiet place without distraction and enjoy a moment of true rest. And again, this one was caffeine-free too. So we have 4, because they know we're mothers. We have 4 caffeine-free teas, and they all look delicious and delightful. Let's open this and we'll see what it smells like. Since we can't taste them all, I'll smell them all. Oh, that smells very orangey and earthy. That smells so good. All right, so those were our 4 teas in the Moment for Mom tea box that I should have been showing you before Mother's Day, and I am very, very sorry about that. And this is the Snarky Teas Unwind, the T. Fiore Tuscan Dreams. How gorgeous is that? The David's Tea Mother's Little Helper, which is what we have steeping. We're going to try that in a second. And the Enjoy Rest by Tmotions. So let's see. It's probably been plenty long now. Let's see what this David's Tea tastes like. Oh, it's so minty and gorgeous. Oh my goodness, guys. It smells so good. Oh, that's so good. It is minty and refreshing. I love it. Last month I kept drinking it, but I'll wait until I let you guys go before I keep doing that. You don't have to keep watching me drink. So again, it is Sips by Teas. If you have any interest in checking out the site, I will put the link below. With my code, you'll get $5 off your first box, so it will be a $10 box instead of a $15 box. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to come over and say hi, and I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care, guys.